Jai Jawan. Major Mukund Varadarajan, who literally lived and died on the lines of immortal verses of Bharadiyar, "Fear I have not, fear I have not." There is a video in which Mukund and Arsha, his daughter, have sung a song of Subramanya Bharadiyar, Achamillai, Achamillai, meaning, "Fear I have not, fear I have not. Even if the entire sky breaks and falls on my head, even if they judge me as the worst, fear I have not, fear I have not." Truly, Mukund Varadarajan lived and died on the lines of immortal verses of Bharadiyar. Major Mukund Varadarajan was born on 12th April 1983 to R. Varadarajan and Geeta and had two sisters, Sweta and Nitya. Major Mukund married his long-time friend Indu Rebecca Varghese on 28th August 2009 and had a daughter, Astraya, born on 17th March 2011. He received his Bachelor of Commerce from Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Vishwa Mahavidyalaya at Enadur and a Diploma in Journalism from the Madras Christian College, Tambaram. His grandfather and two of his uncles also served in the army, and that motivated Major Mukund to join the army. He cherished this desire right from his tender age of 6 years. I quote, "Major Mukund worked in a call center for a month before passing the service selection board, though I encouraged him to study MBA," unquote, recalled his father. He was an alumnus of Officers Training Academy and was commissioned as a lieutenant in the 22nd Rajput Regiment in 2006. He served at the infantry school in Mo, Madhya Pradesh, and was also a part of the United Nations mission in Lebanon. In December 2012, he was deputed to the 44th Battalion of the Rashtriya Rifles and posted in the Sofian district of Jammu and Kashmir. During 2014, Major Mukund's unit was deployed in Sofian district of Jammu and Kashmir and was engaged in counter-insurgency operations on a regular basis. On 25th April 2014, information was received from the intelligence sources about the presence of some hardcore terrorists in Kajipatri village in Sofian district. It was decided to launch an operation to flush out the terrorists under the leadership of Major Mukund Varadarajan. As planned, Major Mukund swung into action along with his troops and cordoned off the suspected area. The intelligence information also suggested that the same terrorists were responsible for killing election officials 24 hours earlier with the intention of disrupting the electoral process in the valley. The heavily armed terrorists opened fire at the assault team on being challenged. Major Mukund, in a swift action, shot and killed one terrorist, simultaneously directing the fire of his troops. During the heavy exchange of fire, Major Mukund got seriously injured, but with total disregard to his injuries, he crawled forward and shot one more terrorist down. He showed remarkable courage and leadership despite bleeding profusely and continued to direct his troops. However, Major Mukund succumbed to his injuries and was martyred. For his brave actions during the operation, he was posthumously awarded the Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award, in 2014 for displaying valor beyond the call of duty. The citation by the Government of India during the declaration of the Ashok Chakra read, I quote, "During the operation, before attaining martyrdom, Major Mukund displayed exemplary leadership skills, raw courage, planning and swift action which culminated in the elimination of the 3 top-ranked Hizbul Mujahideen terrorists." Unquote. The bust of the late Major Mukund Varadarajan was unveiled at the Officers Training Academy on June 1, 2015 by the late Major's wife Indu in the presence of his parents and Lieutenant General Ravindra Pratap Singh Sahi, commanded Officers Training Academy, among others. I quote, "There lived a man who loved me with all his heart. There lived a man who fathered my child. There lived a man who believed in integrity. There lived a man who loved his profession. There lived a man who never feigned to be a hero. There lived a man who was my soul. There lived a man with a heart full of generosity. There lived a man who revealed all to me. There lived a man who loved me with his life. But now I wait, for he is with God. I know for sure one day I'll meet him. I know for sure, and he will give me that warm, strong hug of his. I know for sure, and I'll not complain that I can't breathe. You can hug me all you want." Unquote. This poem was penned by Indu Mukund as a eulogy to her late husband Mukund Varadarajan, who died in a battle protecting the country. Written on the night she heard of his death. Her love poem will leave anyone teary-eyed. Jai Hind.